on the results, things got better. Not as much foot pain, ankle pain. The foot pain that I was having, that I haven't felt that either. I've been able to, So, and I haven't done any squats or anything. But like Coach, when I say I'm far more flexible, far more. I'm almost getting to a split. Like everything's just kind of easier. And elbow pain, non-existent.
Good.
Non-existent. No elbow, no shoulder. And I wanted to ask you, is it okay to do push-ups?
Yeah, you can do push-ups. You can do push-up. I mean, we can do some push-ups together. I mean, there's a few different ways we do push-ups. That's gonna help you. So yeah, push-up is fine.
Because I did about like 600 yesterday. I just didn't feel any pain. You know what I mean? Like my wrists, I keep them in, I guess you would say, HYPERARCH. And, like 25, 30, 50 almost is just no problem,
Yeah.
And so it's like I see like huge differences in everything.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, very happy with your results. Yeah, because your body remodels.
Yeah.
And you're gonna feel incredible, because you have to understand that professional athlete, they do the 82 games a season, right? Either finish a week, they're gonna be done like after 3 games.
Right.
Because some games is one after another. There's no rest.
Right.
But right now the mainstream still behind. They don't understand the importance of fascia, and they don't understand. I mean, even if I pointed out it's their feet, people still don't understand the message because it's so subtle. You see what I mean? There's a lot of mental concentration that's involved. Do you agree? Because you went through it. You know how intricate it is. You have to concentrate. So this mental connection, it's really what has been hidden, and it was dormant because people wear the shoe, because people do weight training. Because when you do weight training, do you concentrate on your foot? No, you don't concentrate on the foot.
Nah.
You concentrate on your muscle. So now when you concentrate on the muscle, what happens? The person become more segmented. They're always going to be thinking, "Oh, am I using my chest? I'm shooting with my chest. Oh, I'm they're segmented way of programming their body." So that's what happens. But what we're doing here is we're concentrating our feet, and we're making the fascial connection take care of everything else. And also, if you look at muscle, right? The muscle between your joints here to here, they can only contract one direction. That's it. It's 2-dimensional. But if you shoot a shot, right, it's 3-dimensional. You have to go this way, you have to go that way. So how do you make accuracy in a 3-dimensional space? That's not just muscles activity. There's a container, which is the fascia that contains the muscle. They all have to coordinate together to make that accuracy happen.
Right.
Yeah, mainstream still don't get that. They think, okay, just muscle. I'm just gonna chuck up a million shots. I'm gonna be good. That's completely false. You don't have the fascial connection to the glutes. You can work your butt off. You're not going to the next level.
Still won't get it. Won't get it.
They're stuck.